In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create portrait cartoon photo in Canva. Start by heading to canva.com and make sure you're logged in so you can access your designs and apps. On the left sidebar, click Create. Choose Custom Size, then type in the exact dimensions you want for your portrait. Pick a size that fits where you plan to use it. Entering your own width and height ensures you won't need to crop later. When you're ready, click Create New Design to open a fresh canvas. On the left sidebar, click Uploads. If your photo is already uploaded, you'll see it in the panel. Click the portrait photo to place it on your canvas. If it drops in too large or too small, that's fine. You can resize it by dragging the corners. Click directly on the photo on your canvas to make sure it's selected. You should see a highlight or handles around it. Now, look to the far left vertical menu and click Apps. In the Apps search bar, type Cartoonify, press Enter, and then click the Cartoonify app that appears. This opens a panel where the app prepares to transform your image. When the Cartoonify panel opens, it will ask you to select the image you want to transform. Choose the portrait photo that's already on your canvas. If you have multiple images in your project, double check you're selecting the right one. Next, select a style. You'll typically see options that vary in line thickness, color treatment, and shading. Pick the look that best matches the vibe you're after. Bold outlines for a graphic look or softer shading for a more playful feel. Click the button that says something along the lines of Cartoonify image. The app will use AI to process the photo, simplifying details and applying a clean, distinct cartoon effect. Processing can take a moment, depending on your internet connection and image size, so give it a second to finish. The new cartoon version will automatically replace your original photo on the canvas so you can preview it in context. If you're prompted with an option that says Replace Image, click it to confirm the swap. Take a quick look at the edges and facial features to make sure the style looks crisp. If something feels off, you can always try a different Cartoonify style from the panel and run it again for a result that suits your project better. And that's it. Your portrait is now a polished cartoon illustration ready to use in social posts, profile images, or printed designs.